Dear co-humans, what's happening is not an accident. It's a tragedy, but didn't happen by chance. We humans miraculously managed to shape the world at our will for so many years. Viruses were around before the Neanderthal man. Same with fire. The difference is how you liaise with them. Either you burn villages or you create the solar panels. Either you study the vaccines and you save lives, either you experiment bacteriologic warfare. What I just said belongs to the past. When I'm speaking, we are living the present. But what about the future? Has it gone? No, it's still there, a step away. Again, it has gone. The future is what happens next. But one thing is the unknown, fatality, casualty, timing. One thing is the future. What we humans envisage. The future doesn't just happen. We envisage it, we conceive it. The atomic bomb didn't explode by chance, we made it. We can now video call each other and share experiences, but it didn't happen by chance. We worked for years over it. We've been trying to fly for ages. We managed. Then we want to do it faster. Here we go. The future is about content. It's a storytelling. It was we write about it. Like the past, which is everything but collective memory, shaped and reshaped accordingly by the current leadership. Let's change the script writers and have new directors, genderless, equal, doesn't matter the ethnicity, and rewrite together the vision of the future. The nuclear power could still be the main source of clean energy for the world, and the web revolution will make everyone closer to each other, but not to study our behavior and sell it to big corp and enrich the few. Trading was a booster of human development. It determined open-mindedness, democracy, exchange, but again, it's just a mean, not the goal. Most of the content and entertainment is about violence. How it will impact the future generations in their mindset and imagination. And I'm not talking about cheesy rom-com, I'm talking about hope and exploration. War and conflicts are often generated by fear, envy, greed. Happiness is a false target. It's too individual and often is built over marketing concept. All humans need is health, dignity, basic wealth and certain roof on our head, plus food to nurture our beloved. It's all we need. The lack of those ingredients unbalances the world's status. The future is all about a vision. In our case, a shared, empathic vision. Why not working on a love script where compassion, equality, generosity for each other becomes the vision? We'll be still taken by surprise by flying cars, wind-powered, free hospitals and space-time travel, weapon-free nations, but in our inner soul we will recognize that it was a future we all have dreamt of. That's how the world will become a better place.